Good morning, students. I'm going to take an English class for you. Standard 9th topic, the spider and the fly. Today is 20th August 2020. Yesterday, I gave a short summary of this poem. This poem tells the story of a cunning spider who ensnares a fly through the use of the seduction and flattery. The poem teaches children to be cautious against those who use flattery and charm to disguise their true evil intention. So here, this is the poetic line here. I'll read the poetic lines here. Will you walk into my parlor, said the spider to the fly, to kiss the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many curious things to show when you are there. So who is the speaker in this line? The spider is the speaker in this line. In this poem, the cunningness of the spider is well portrayed. The spider wants to eat the fly. It invites the fly to come into its home. So see here, the spider's parlor is the prettiest little one. Way to the parlor has a winding stair. There are many curious things inside the parlor. It has got a little bed decorated with pretty curtains which are fine and thin. It has also got a good store of nice things. Parlor has got a mirror also. Now see the first stanza. Will you walk into my parlor, said the spider to the fly. 'Tis the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, and I have many curious things to show when you are there. The first stanza is the spider's pursuit of the fly, which is charming invitation into his home. The spider describes his parlor as the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. The act of spying is to watch something secretly. We share secrets and confidence with closed ones. Inviting the fly to spy into his abode, the spider is trying to send the message that he considers the fly to be close. The spider portrays his home as a mysterious, wonderful place. More details are added to arouse the fly's curiosity. The parlor may be reached through a winding stair, and it is filled with many pretty things. See here how the spider is very cunning. He is inviting the fly to his home. See here, will you walk into my parlor? Parlor here refers to the spider's home. Said the spider to the fly, 'Tis the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. It's the very prettiest parlor that you would have not spied. You would have been searching here and there, but you can't find such a beautiful parlor. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair. Before entering to my parlor, what is the way? Where is the way? It's a winding stair. You have to cross these stairs and then you can reach my parlor. And he says, I have many curious things to show when you are there. See, I refers to whom? The spider. He says, there are a lot of things that you have not seen. Once you come, see, requesting the fly, please come inside. that you have never seen in your life. I will show you many beautiful things in my home. So see how cunning the spider is and how nicely he is calling the fly to come to his home. Next stanza here. Oh no, said the little fly, to ask me is in vain, for who goes up your winding stair can never come down again. See here, what was the reply of the fly? Thankfully, the fly wisely sees through the spider's deviousness. She knows that who go through the winding stair into his home never come out. In a glance, the fly saw the spider's home. What she saw? That whoever went to his home, nobody has returned back. So thankfully and wisely, she says to the spider, she knows that those who go through this winding stair into his home never come out. It implies what it means. She is aware that the spider has eaten his previous guest. This is one extended invitation she shouldn't be expecting. See here, it was an extended invitation and she should not accept this invitation. She was aware that though whoever went into this parlor have not come back, so she refused this invitation. She clearly declines, telling the spider that to ask her into home is in vain or useless. She says, it is no use you are calling me into your home. Because, why she says? Because she is aware that whoever went into his spider's home, none of them have returned back. Thank you, students.